Jagoro maduong' mar duond bura mar ODM Omanyo siemo kweth njore ma medore kendo medo honore pacho ka inyato e paw siasa kendo marocho kwe. Omanyo loso ka owacho ni ODM ochung'ne timbe makare kod ratiro ma ok nyal podho njore e weche mag siasa. Oloso kinde manorwako jo siasa mageto kombe mopogore opogore kama oting'o Jared Oundo ma olap dhoge ndong' ne kom kar chung' od bura ma Embakasi South. Bende gimedo jiwo jo siasa mamoko omed riwore kod duond bura mar ODM.
I want to urge all the aspirants not to think twice, but to apply, even presidential candidate to apply, so that we can have our data compiled and know when to call all of them and roll out. I want to condemn goonism because it is associated today with thuggery, with manipulation, with threats. If you have thugs working with you in the name of bodyguards, you have to beware. Because after they go for who you have sent them to go and maybe threaten or beat up, if you don't feed them well, who's the next one they'll beat up?
So one of the things that I'm requesting the young people is that we avoid this character we are developing to harass the aspirants. The other day, one of my competitors was harassed. Even if he's my competitor for Embakasi South constituency, I'll not support goons to attack him. What happened in Kisumu, we don't really